my vision, the future of oncology in 5-10 years, and I hope that Moderna and BioNTech will succeed. Moderna is in phase 3. I really think that personalized cancer vaccine will be a game changer. When you are dealing with OncoDNA, I think it's business continuity. We have a team that is important to have people that likes to work together, and that's also with always a patient-centric vision, because we know that we have also patient behind. So I am very pleased to have our first kit user meeting in London, because we have people from the NHS. Maybe the next user may be in other place and so on.
I really trying, as subject matter expert, trying to add the customer to prepare validation plan. For sure the plan could change, but it's good to have a good first draft to know how to start.
When you work with OncoDNA, they don't say, oh, it's someone else's problem or it's your problem. We help you out in all the steps over the way. Well, actually, I think for us, we need to, because we are really at the end of the complete flow. So if there is a problem in the DNA extraction or in the sequencing, we will get the blame, so to say, because our results, our report will be bad. So this is why we want to master the complete flow, and we want to understand what's happening and who are the different actors in this chain.
A little bit of what we do here is about selecting the right treatment for the right patient at the right time. People forget you select the right patient, the right treatment. If at the wrong time, it doesn't work.
The support was very, very good. So we could always rely on your help. Also when it was not requested, it means, as Jean-François said before, if the run was not good, he was calling us before we could have the results. And of course this is extremely helpful, because we need to improve, we need to be supported in the improvement.
And you're able as well to pull that quality out and track it over time as well. And then Jean-François has his eyes on it if anything might be going funky as well, so he's watching over us.
Guardian angel.
TSO in particular only has a limited number of genes. And actually when I did look at the copy numbers that were being spat out by both TSO and OncoDEEP, very, very close. There's not really much to separate. Very happy with that, really good.
There is still a high percentage of patients that have not access to specific therapy, targeted therapies or evolution. So my dream, maybe at the end, is to sign a production report of a personalized cancer vaccine, helpful for everybody in the system.